Good morning, Mark. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Come on in.
Thank you.
You can take your shoes off in here.
No
Or out
problem.
there.
Oh, outside.
Yeah. So this is the first culprit.
Uh-huh.
I get tons of draft through this. It doesn't really close out. One upstairs in my bedroom is awful. Same problem.
Same problem.
I just need it
Closed.
like closed, fully closed and sealed so I don't have air and
Sounds
light.
good. Yeah, this is
So you
for-
don't have to pull the frame off. You're okay.
Okay. This is problem, right?
Yeah.
For now. Okay, I get you.
Yeah.
I may take a video for my social, no problem. For my job.
Yeah.
See, 1,300,000.
Oh, nice. Are you gonna do this today?
Yeah, for now.
Oh, yeah,
If you
go
want.
for it. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
200 plus material.
Plus materials.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. Ha, bu ishni ham hozir dogovorda kelishdik do'stlar. Bitta nima qilish kerak desalaring, mana ki rezinka qo'yib chiqaman. Mana ligrovka qilib beraman eshigini. Mana hozir tashqari ko'rinib turibdi, yorug' kirib turibdi. Likkillashini to'g'rilab beraman. Qolgan joyi yaxshi. Do'stlar, bu ishni ko'ringlar endi. Tashqaridan yorug' kirib turadi. Hozir mana yorug' yo'q. Bu yerda men rezinka qo'yganman yangi atrofiga, keyin mana yerda yechib boshqatdan to'g'rilab qotirib berdim. Plus yopilganda vibratsiya yo'q. Havo ham kirmaydi, yorug' ham kirmaydi atrofidan. Bunisi ikkinchi ishi do'stlar. Buni zazorda to'g'rilab beraymisan, yo'q shart emas dedi. Faqat mana uni o'zini to'g'rilab berdi. Likillayapti. Ha do'stlar, ko'ringlar. Likillagan narsa qolmadi endi, keyin yorug' ham kirgan. Hey Mark.
Yes.
Hold on.
Okay. So, that looks good. Okay, let's check out the other one.
Good.
Yeah. Oh, that's way better. Yeah. That should be much better, I think. 220.
220, yeah.
Thank you.
Have a
good
good
one, man.
Yeah, have a
Appreciate
good
it.
day. Okay, see you next new project, Mark.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too.
Do'stlar, like bosib qo'yasizlar. Endi navbat keyingi ishga. Bu ishga $200 oldim. 25 yarim soatda bitirdim.